Karibu sana. Haya, 1, 2, 3. Specialists and medical officers are practitioners in various fields, ladies and gentlemen. It is gratifying to officiate the opening of 2 official wings at our premier medical facilities, the KTRH, namely the oncology unit and newly renovated postnatal ward. Of particular interest is the oncology unit, which is poised to be a relief to cancer patients from this region who have to travel a long distance to Nairobi and other far destinations for treatment. Equally, the opening of oncology units is a big step in our readiness for proposed establishment of a fully fledged cancer diagnostic and treatment center here in Kisii. As you are aware, last week, the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Ruto, laid the foundation stone to kickstart the project. Hence, the establishment of modern cancer diagnostic and treatment center in Kisii is now in reality. You may not know, but if we had that facility here, it will serve the whole region, even our neighboring countries. That's Tanzania, which is a neighbor here, and Uganda. The project is a partnership between the government of Kenya, Kisii County Government, Arab Bank of Economic Development in Africa, that's BADEA, and Saudi Fund for Development, SFD. Once completed, Kisii will serve the region in cancer treatment. Kenyatta National Hospitals and Moi Referral Hospital in Eldoret have been our only centers that our people have been going to or have been being referred to. To this end, the establishment of an oncology unit at KTRH goes a long way in ensuring that we are attaching ourselves to the forthcoming high responsibility in cancer treatment in terms of getting our medics well prepared ahead of time. For sure, if we have the unit, this unit will have prepared. I've seen Dr. Bahati, Dr. Omari, and your colleagues. You know, Dr. Bahati, you've been putting pressure on me. When I came in, you told me you're not going to treat any patient if you don't have the safety ward cabinet. And it was going for only 1.5 million. Whereas there were thieves here who were running away with close to 100 million. Save that now we have that as unity, and we will put more of the equipment required in that college unit for service to our people. Our effort towards combating cancer has been informed by the rising cases of disease and related deaths in the county. It's estimated, and this is important to note, it's estimated that over 39,000 new cases are reported in Kenya every year. And according to the World Health Organization, reports 27,000 cases of cancer reported are from Western region of Kenya. Western region, that includes Kisii. Kisii County included. Both KNH and MTRH can handle about 9,000 cancer patients in a year, while the rest of the patients visit private hospitals locally and abroad, where they are confronted with high treatment costs. This gives rise to the need to have more public facilities attending to cancer cases to lower the cost of treatment. The KTRH Oncology Unit saw over 548 new cancer cases last year, 548. The number was largely attributed to cervical cancer, and it's important to note again that cervical cancer followed by bowel cancer, breast cancer. There is another one called esophageal cancer and prostate cancer. The palliative clinic has over 2,500 patients on follow-up. This number increases every year because of late diagnosis occasioned by poor health-seeking behavior of our people who seek medical attention while the disease is too advanced. You know, Dr. Bahati told me that I'm well versed, to address the issues of cancer, especially breast cancer. And she told me, and she did not mention here, the first doctors of breast cancer is the husbands. Daktari wa kwanza wa breast cancer ni mwanaume wako nyumbani, ama sponsor wako kama uko naye. No, daktari, that was you told me. That the first doctor sio mtu mwingine, mtu ambaye anashika matiti ya kwanza ni nani? Ni bwana yako. Until the lady talked of stigmatization. Hii biashara lazima tutashinda. Kwa hivyo, for men, because you're the first people, you are interested. Yes, we know the breasts are meant for certain purpose, but they entertain. That's true. If we had breast men, though we have very inactive ones, it would have been a different story. But again, it affects even men. This is a story. Therefore, for the survivors, the warriors, I want to ask you guys, you must be our ambassadors outside there. In funerals, in charge, in any function. Simama, usione aibu. Ukiongea mara mbili mara tatu nikiona umeongea mzuri nitakuita nikupee kitu. Because we must have those ambassadors. People must be informed. Abantu wetu yani ba what? No, I know what just like that. I'm thinking, Lucy is worried to get this in that. More than get that, get to see that again. Man, what's it wearing? Allow me to finish this one. Cancer Center will serve an estimated population of 10 million persons in Kisii, Nyamira, Migori, Homa Bay, Kisumu, Kericho, and Transmara region of Narok County. And this is our target catchment for KTRH for Oncology Center. Therefore, our target is for 10 million. 10 million runs all the way even to Tanzania, as it were. I encourage, let me say this, taking note of the rising demand in pathological support and cancer patient care, we need more specialists in this area in readiness for the upcoming of Kisii Center or Kisii Cancer Diagnostic and Treatment Center. I encourage our medics to take up the initiative and take up the space instead of us having to recruit staff from outside once we embark on the project. And I want to plead with our medics. There is a big opportunity. In 18 months, we'll have that facility running, up and running. How I wish that you would have gotten skills, relevant skills for you to operate there. Instead of for us to wait again starting recruiting. Kwa hivyo kama kuna mgomo hivi karibuni, Dr. Bahati usiende mgomo. Hakikisha kwamba umeshikilia that unit mpaka wewe ukue. Unajua I came in and I gave you some responsibility, lakini sasa wewe kazi yako ni kutaka kutibu. But you have spoken very well here. Daktari, unaongea mzuri, naona kwamba you can lead that now unit as it were. Thank you. I'm informed that our oncology status in Kisii County includes this important human resource. Let me not treat everything here. Human resource, diagnostic, treatment. No, let me read it. Human resource, we have clinical oncologist, pediatric, hematologist, oncologist, gyno-oncologist, breast, oncoplastic surgeon, oncology clinical officers, oncology nurses, among others. Diagnostic, we have plain X-ray, mammogram, ultrasound, CT scan, MRA, pathology services, including histology. We have dedicated multidisciplinary team for breast cancer. As for the postnatal wing, which I've just opened, once now that is renovated, it will relieve mothers and the newborns who will be visiting the hospital. This is even as we intend to have the new MCH wing full completed and operationalized. And I'm going to see the progress of MCH after this. I know there is good work going on, but I want with concern, and I want to ask the Deputy Governor that I've given you instructions, you make sure I've gotten a report on proper workmanship of that unit. The unit, the oncology unit and the postnatal unit. Hiyo mambo ya kupiga rangi kama watu walikuwa wanatembea kwa barabara hakuna. We are paying those people. We must get value for the money. Yeah, mtu amekuja amepiga rangi, amewacha rangi kwa vioo. Sasa why did you come? So ungetuambia tu tutafuta hata watoto hapa nje. If I gave some young boys here, they will do a very good job. Lakini kama mtu amepewa kazi lazima aifanye. We are not going to pay people kwa sababu tumekata deals na wao. We are not going to accept. Good people, allow me to say this as I conclude. I want to promise that the training, and I have said, training and releasing doctors for further studies, we will continue doing so. Number two, and it has been said here by the CCM Health, the transfers which are there. Transfers, you cannot stay in one place for over 3 years and expect you to optimally give service. Kuna watu wanaamini kwamba lazima wakae hapa KTRH, hawezi ondoka. What happens with the facility in Kitagura, Aten Korongo, in Monyero Ward? If all of you assume I brought all the staff here, what will happen? Hata mahali pakuwa, this facility has 600 employees. 600. Daktari, you remember I asked you earlier, kwamba hii team ni kubwa sana. If it was a private facility, watu 200 wametosha. Nurses 50 ama 100, daktari 50, hiyo biashara imeisha. Lakini 600 is a big team. And I want to agree with what the MCA of Magenge said. Every facility, kutoka mnaita ile ya kwanza level 1 nini? Level 1 mpaka KTRH lazima ikuwe na nurses. You have close to how many nurses at a time? 400 even. 247. Nitakuomba utanipa karibu nipe hata kama ni 70. Umeanza kuwa na wasiwasi manasi? Lakini hivyo ni given a job. Kama mnataka kukaa hapa, lazima kazi ifanyike kama mko. Ni sawa? Lakini nitauliza tu, pata kidogo. I'm happy that you have given me close to 20, 22, 21 nurses. Yeah. Watasaidia level 4s. Na pia wewe kubali, prepare yourself. Usikae hapa sana. Even for the doctors, I've asked them. They are doing what we call outreach. And that thing of going around, rotational, they are doing that. Yeah, even the doctors, I've encouraged them. Watakuwa wanazunguka kila hospitali, especially level 4s, for purpose of giving services to our people. Kwa hivyo ukituma, wacha kuwa mgumu. Wakati wa kuandika ulikuwa unasema niandike tu, hata unitume Marsabit. As long as nimefanya nini? Nimepata kazi. Ni kama some friends of mine ambao ni askari. At the time of employment, they can even bribe for them to get what? Employment. Wakati wamekuwa employed, sasa amepelekwa Mandera. Afadhali mama anakuja, mtoto wangu ataoa huko. Sasa kama ni askari na uliapo huko na bunduki, umesema utalinda nchi, tutatuma wewe Haiti, tutatuma wewe Somalia, lazima ufanye hiyo kazi. Kwa hivyo naomba tafadhali, na nyinyi kama askari wa county wazuri, madaktari, ukitumwa anywhere in the county and go there, prove your case. Enda huko, nikutoa huko, by the time natoa Dr. Marita kama CEO, ukue CEO, utuongozi. Ama ukue daktari unasimamia oncology. Wengine wanaogopa hata kwenda shule. Wacha kuogopa kwenda shule, na wengine wanaogopa hata kufikiria. Kwa hivyo nauliza tafadhali, my brothers and sisters, let us give services to the people who have given us, or who are paying us, who are the common mwananchi outside here. This facility imejulikana hapa ndio pia wizi mkubwa ulikuwa. Stealing of drugs, stealing of equipment. Hata there is a theft ilifanyika kwa hii building not long ago. Pipes. Daktari, I hope proper mechanism. Unajua nilikuwa nimekaa hapa, ile waya nikadhania kwamba imetolewa. All CCTVs and I've directed, we will have specific people monitoring all movement in this hospital. Yaani kazi yao ni hiyo tu, and reporting. Kwa sababu ikikusewa tengo umuntu niki. Umuntu no? No umuntu. No musibi. Umubereke. Umubeke getanda umuterere ugatera gukora. Kubuka. Iterera maji. Because we are not going to blink on these issues. Hata awe nani, lazima tufanye kazi. We have been given a responsibility and I must make sure kazi imefanyika. There are those ones who think that tomorrow Simba will atakuwa amechoka, amelala. Hapana, I have a lot of information for specific officers ambao lazima process ikuwe followed. Na kama unajisikia Simba anafanya mabaya, wewe simama 2027. Kisimama ukinishinda, I'll support you. Lakini for now that I'm the governor, if you want to sink the county, I'll sink you first. I'll sink you first. That you want to tear the public, we will destroy first. We are not going, hii biashara nyingine nyingi hatuwezi kupembelezana, especially kwa mambo ya health. Hatuwezi kupembelezana. Ujue how people they are using a lot of money for treatment. Watu wanaenda mpaka nje ya nchi. Alafu kuna mtu mwingine hapa anataka kuleta mchezo. Hapana, hatuwezi kubaliana. Kwa hivyo mtanikubalia mimi nifanye hiyo kazi kwa sababu niliahidi, nikakula kiapo. I've directed those directives lazima zifanyike in a week time. Lazima tupate report. Hivyo tu. no mercy. For drugs, waziri, nataka nikuombe tafadhali. Umetuambia madawa ambayo tumepata sasa into the county na kesho hiyo ingine ya KEMSA ikija is close to over 100 million. Let us see the significance of bringing those drugs here. Tafadhali. Dr. Kefa Mogere, the pharmacist, I want to thank you. You are able to now to track the drugs. I think there is one thing I want to ask you. Customer satisfaction. I'm defiant, and I was quarreling with you the other day. Lazima tujue hiyo dawa kweli ilienda kwa huyo mtu. Dr. Mogere, umejaribu. Hapa tulikuwa na mtu ambaye anaiba madawa hapa. What is the name in it? Is it so? Ipo. Hata waka dismantle the CCTV, we could not follow proceedings here. Tafadhali hiyo biashara lazima ishi. Zile expired drugs, because naambiwa pia kuna shida with your application, I'm sure you can be able to track in every facility. Najua kwamba hii dawa drug facility A haitumiki hii dawa, inatumika B, kwa hivyo inakuwa inapelekwa huko. And there is bad manners. Ketini, daktari, yani waziri, all equipment za count ziko in various facilities. Nobody is going to stop us from moving one equipment from this one facility to another. If we have 2, 3 anesthetic machines hazifanyi kazi, then people they want to incite the public kwamba equipment zao zimeibwa. Je, tukinunua mpya wanataka kwamba tuwapeleke katika hiyo facility? Kwa hivyo waziri, utafunga masikio. All facilities must be served equally. Na machines zote lazima zikuwe zinafanya kazi. We have engineers here who are called what? By what? Technological engineers. Sioni ni vile kama tuko na wao wanafaa kuwa fix those old machines kwamba zimekufa. Na nitakuuliza, mimi hakuna biashara kufuatana na mtu anaitwa technological officer ni wewe. Mwisho, I want to encourage, and this is for you waziri, wacha Dr. Marita, Dr. Bahati, Dr. Omari wawekewe vipindi katika TV zetu, katika radio zetu, waelezee wananchi what exactly we are doing. Watu hawajui, ni kama sisi tunachipigia nini? Gita. Ukienda South Mugrango kule juu, ama Bogetutu, ama Nyaribari, ama Bobasi, Bonchari, watu hawajui. Kwa hivyo Dr. Bahati, utapewa nafasi wewe elezea kwa radio, hata kama watakuja kwa neke gusini ama ntwetu wa manyenti exactly kwa wako antoa nyara wako nyingi other than kuweka chingero chuka au ngwana wa media hapo. Let us educate the community, and I want to make that request. Kwa hivyo fanya hiyo schedule. We can even pay for the people to do what? To get the message outside there. My fear is that the hospital is full. We want to ease the pressure from this hospital. If it's not referral cases, watch it be kule level 4. And waziri, the services given here, we want them in level 4. Tafadhali. Marani ifanye kazi, Keumbu ifanye kazi, Masimba, Esusu, Nyacheki, Nyamache, Kenyenya, Ogembo, Nyamarambe, Etago, then Isecha, Iyabe, Liana, Iranda, all those facilities. Na nimesema yule daktari ambaye amesimamia hapo kama afanye kazi, tafadhali toa yeye. Kuna madaktari wengi wanataka wapata allowances na wafanye kazi. And they are ready. There are so many doctors who want to be SMHs. I want to give a classic example. Level 4 Ogembo. I had a doctor who was a SMH. Anakusanya pesa 1 million, 1.2 million. Ananiambia governor, tafadhali, I'm going to improve. I gave him a whole year. He improved, I think, from 800 to 1.2. Nikatoa yeye. Baada ya kutoa yeye, the current officer there is doing 4.5 million. The same case na hapa. Wakati niliingia, they were doing 47 million. Today, Dr. Marita, you can confirm, they are doing 200 million. Kwa hivyo kuna wakora hapa, lazima tukanyagane na wao. Tafadhali. For services. Hapa watoto walikuwa nakufa hapa. A half of the parts given here walikuwa nakufa. But I'm happy Dr. jamaa wa postnatal anaitwa Getari. Tumekubaliana hatutaki kusikia mtoto amekufa hapa. Yaani lazima irudi tuzii. Na nimepea facility nzuri. Mimi I'll make sure kwamba ask me anything for issues of health, I'll provide. Sasa Daktari? Yeah, asante. Ikweli nimaliza kwa kusema there are Iburosi Kiamba, I'll support you. I'm telling you, wait, is it once a month? Na mambo ndio usimoni wakego, mbeke, abafanya bakali biashara. Sasa, for purpose of recognition, I want to assure you, if you came to the hospital and this is kazi yako Dr. Marita, kwa hakisha watu ujui kwamba ni ile uchumi umerudi. Wapewe first priority ni seti ya kukaa kule. Now that we have even oncology wing, Dr. Bahati will facilitate mwakisha kwa mmetibiwa. Sasa, and now, mambo ya drugs, madawa. Na nimeambiwa it will defeat the purpose ya kufungua oncology kama hakuna dawa. For dawa, Dr. Marita, CCM, lazima dawa ipatikane. Sio kwa oncology peke yake, lakini kwa hospitali mzima na waziri for the whole county. Hakuna story nyingine. Afadhali uibe kwingine lakini usibe madawa. Hiyo ndio kuwa na huruma na wewe. Asanteni. Tears down, we will destroy you. We will firmly deal with you. We don't care what the law requires. Lakini if you want to bring down health status zetu, hapana. Hiyo utaenda ukae kwako. Lakini for purpose of giving service to the common mwananchi, that's what we have been called for, and we will give it. Na nchini kwa ni kuruhusiwa.